So we're covering how to figure out the structures and left and right of the clavicle. Right here is a clavicle, and whenever you pick up a bone, the first goal is to always figure out left or right. And we're going to walk through, as we go through all the bones, we're going to walk through how 2 or 3 features that you can use. The clavicle is easy because there's really only 3 features we want you guys to be aware of right off the bat. Okay, the first one is the sternal end. It's called the sternal end because it faces the sternum, right? So that's going to face medial. The other end is called the acromial end, and this faces the acromion, which is a structure located on the scapula. Right? The last structure on here is called the conoid tubercle, and it's like a little cone-like bump. Right? A tubercle is a bump, so it's a little bump on the inferior and posterior portion of the clavicle. So you set it up with the sternal end facing the sternum and the conoid tubercle facing basically posterior and inferior. You should be able to figure out if it's the left or right clavicle. And in this case, it is a left clavicle. Right? So I set that up where the conoid tubercle is facing posterior and inferior, and the sternal end is facing medial.